Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install a Pinterest conversion tracking pixel on Shopify. Pinterest's conversion tracking pixel lets e-commerce marketers track events that happen on their site as a result of a promoted pin click. It also lets us create audiences based on the actions people take on our site, regardless of how they get there. This is perfect for retargeting pinners with promoted pins. Now, let us walk you through how to install this on Shopify. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. What we need to do first is to access the Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify account at www.shopify.com. Once you're in, click the online store sales channel. On the current theme, click the Actions drop-down and select Edit Code on the menu. Look for the theme.liquid file on the right. You can also search it on the search field. What we need to do is to search for the closing head tag. It should look like this. So, just scroll down, and once you found it, just put a space above it, because this is where we will be placing the Pinterest conversion tracking code. The next thing that we need to do is to get the conversion code. If you haven't created your Pinterest unique tag ID, we have a tutorial for that. The link is in the description. Access your Pinterest business account at ads.pinterest.com. Once you're in, click the Ads drop-down on the upper left and select Conversion on the menu. You should see the unique tag ID. Click item number 1, which is the install base code, to expand the item. And you should see the Pinterest tag. We will be adding this code to the theme.liquid on your Shopify. Just click the Copy Code button. Go back to the Shopify and paste the code above the closing head tag. After you pasted it, click the Save button. Now that we have installed the base code, let us install the checkout event code next. Go back to Pinterest and click item number 2 to expand it. Go to the checkout portion and you should see a code associated to it. You can customize the data that Pinterest will be tracking on checkout. Click the See All options to expand the selection and check the boxes that you wanted to include. After you've selected the options, click the Copy Code button. Go back to Shopify and click Settings located at the bottom left corner. Then select Checkout on the selection. Scroll down to the Order Processing section on the Additional Scripts portion. This is where you'll be pasting the checkout event code that you have copied earlier. Click the Save button that will show up on top after you have pasted the code. It may take an hour for it to sync. After it will sync, you should see the reports on your Pinterest account. So that's it. That is how you install a Pinterest conversion tracking pixel on Shopify. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!